Hey friends, if you encounter this error, your device is missing important security and quality fixes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings, Windows Update and click on check for updates if it is possible. But a lot of users encounter the error itself while trying to update Windows. So what would you do in that case? We have a script for you and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Simply copy this script. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs, all the ones which are associated with it. It will reset WinSock and then finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.